Hello darlings, I'm back. By popular demand, I'm back. Aren't you lucky? If you're new to this channel, I'm Miss Patra. I'm your local girl who likes to look like a girl who's a boy. There you go. I can't really say much more. I do makeup and shit, you get the gist. So let's just jump right into this video, shall we? So, on today's video, we will be reviewing the iconic, the one and only, the phenomenal BeautyBay Neon Brights. Ta-da! It is a massive palette. Look at my hand compared to the palette. Wow, value for money. This retails for, are you ready? Are you ready? You're gonna have to wait because I'm gonna insert a little video here now of the palette up close and personal. There you go. Did you enjoy that? Did you enjoy that moment? That one and only phenomenal cinematic production that I put on for you there? Good, because that's the best you're going to get from me, hun, to just a basic little video on my iPhone, but do you know what I mean? I'm feeling it. I actually got a GCSE in media studies as well, so don't come for me. So here we have the phenomenal, the one and only BeautyBay palette. It is retailing for £23. Wow, are you ready? I think that's like 48 shades, 42 shades, girl. 28, that's like 50p a shade. Wow, you get this phenomenal, one of a kind, absolutely outstanding mirror, which is literally the size of my head. Phenomenal. And then in there you have all of the rainbow, the colours of the rainbow, the LGBT rainbow. Look at that, phenomenal. All the reds, all the pinks, all the purples, all the blues, all the orange, all the greens. Wow, wow, wow. So, shall we jump right in? So, as you can tell by the little title screen that you just read, this is called swatches. I'm going to do swatches, 5 swatches. I'm only doing 5 because I've only got 5 fingers. The other one is resting on my legs to deal with it. So I'm going to go in for a black, a pink, a blue. The yellow looks interesting because yellows never turn out good, and the white. Maybe we'll go for more swatches, I don't know, we'll see how I feel. So, starting off, let's go in for, it's called Illicit. Don't know what that means. I'm not very I'm very literal. This is illicit, I'm a literal. So I'm just gonna go in for this beautiful black shade here, charcoal black. And I'm just gonna rub it on my arm right here, do you know what I mean? Wow, isn't that mind-blowing? Now let's go in for this, like, it's called Orange Soda. It's like a rusty orange. So let's go in for this one now, because I'm going to be doing an orange look today. Ooh, jeez. There you go, beautiful. Let's go next to there. Ooh. Okay, that's real cute. I like that one a lot. Let's go in now for Riviera. Don't know what that means as well. And let's go in for a nice firm push. Let's not be stingy now. Look at that, amazing. Oh god, my arm is aching. Wow, that's actually a really nice blue to be fair. And now let's go in for Hello Sunshine. God, my arm is dead. Hello Sun. Oh, it's really heavy. Oh, fucking hell. Hello Sunshine here. Yeah, this yellow. Let's go in for that one. Get that right on there. Lovely. Let's go in here next to it. Blue and yellow always go well together. Love that. Cute. The house. And then lastly, let's go in for white, because sometimes, hey, sometimes the whites just don't work out, girl. Let's get that on there. This one isn't gonna be the one either. I'm really going for it. I gouged my thumb into that then. Oh, thank God. And let's go in next to the black. It's very transparent house. It's one of them shades, it's not really going to show up unless you have like a more of a darker skin tone, more like an olivey tan skin tone, or you have just layered on a big old load of primer or a big old load of concealer and put it on top. And you have like some bold colours around it, yeah, then you're going to get it, girl. So the next section, application. So, as mentioned, we're now going into application. So I have here a selection in my Iggy Azalea mug. If you haven't gathered by now, I'm an Iggy Azalea stan. This is from her new classic album, which I do believe released in 2014. And in this here, we have a load of brushes. So I'm going to pull out a fluffy brush now, a fluffy packing brush. And I'm going to insert, I sound like Kim Woodburn, innit? How clean is your house? So I'm going to firmly press my brush into shade Heat Wave, which is this rather sensual, actually I've changed my mind. I'm going to press it into this one here, just peachy like my arse. I'm just going to press the brush in like so. Give it a little bit of a zhush, zhush it like that, dear. That's it, that do. And then I'm going to press this onto my eyes and do a look. And I'm going to fast forward it, and you can have your opinions, and you can tell me in the comments down below. So let's go. So as you can see, that's done absolutely fuck all. So now I'm going to go in a bit more firmly. Maybe I'm being too much of a pansy about it. And I'm going to really pack that product onto their eyelid. There we go, girls. Now we're talking. See, this is the thing, dear. You have to be less stingy. You can't be stingy all the time, dear. You can't be stingy all the time, dear. That's it. So there we have Cheeto Duster Orange on the eye. And what I'm going to do now that you can get the kind of gist of it, is I'm just going to do a whole entire eye look. And then you can just watch it and we'll share our opinions at the end. There we go, girls. What do you think? Look at this cute look. So I have gone for an orange and red mix up. We have this really cute gold eyeliner, which is the Makeup Obsession one in the shade gold, I take it. This is a really cute one here. And then I've gone in for like the warmer tones. I've highlighted the Flick and Flare, stuck a few gems on. I have the most dramatic lashes on. These are Eyelaw called Dramatic. They are number 126. In case you want to try them. Stunning, love it. I've also gone in for a BeautyBay lip gloss to stay on the BeautyBay theme. And I've also topped it up with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lip gloss. That was its liquid girl lip gloss there as well. So my final thoughts reviews. Did I enjoy this palette? Well, where to begin? So I found it a bit frustrating to start with. However, once you get a bit more heavy-handed, you really have to go heavy-handed, like dig into that palette and you get that there. It does go on great, it does blend out great. You can see like my under eyes are like a really cute red. I've actually used a lip liner to do the red eyeliner. I've got this really cute shade called Bumblebee, which is a shimmery, like goldy yellow, really cute. And very much reminds me of like Indian gold. They have very yellow gold, love it so much. And then I've gone for, you can't really see because of the lashes, girl. I've gone for this really like red and orange ombre out look, smoky eye with like a flare, nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy, just a bit basic like me. So there you go, let me know what you think. Did you enjoy this video? Do you like the palette? Will you buy it? Will you not? Do you have it? Do you love it? Do you want to show me your look? I bet you don't, there you go. So let me know what you think. I love it so much. I really enjoyed it. I definitely recommend it. I'm definitely going to come back to it. It's got loads of blues in it, which I don't have, which is phenomenal. That was my main reason for wanting the palette in the first place, was for the blues. So if you enjoyed this video, do like and subscribe. Please, follow me on Instagram. Please, I really want someone to send me a look they've done with some product. Like, send me something. Just send me even just one dab of a shade on your eyelid. I want to see it. Just tell me. Let's compare. Let's compare notes. Let's talk. So yeah, please subscribe. Please follow. Please share. Blah 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 blah. You know the drills. Love you. Thank you so much. I will see you later. Bye bye.